the story of a high school dropout who becomes a self-taught engineer and creates groundbreaking technology is an inspiring one. It shows that anyone can achieve great things with determination, hard work, and a willingness to learn. The first step in becoming a self-taught engineer is to have a passion for technology and a desire to learn. This person might start by reading books and online resources about programming, electronics, and other related topics. They might also attend meetups or join online communities to connect with other engineers and learn from their experiences. Next, the self-taught engineer would need to practice their skills and build projects. This might involve creating a website, building a mobile app, or designing a hardware prototype. By working on real-world projects, the engineer would gain practical experience and develop a portfolio of work to showcase their abilities. Over time, the self-taught engineer would refine their skills and gain a deep understanding of their chosen field. They might also seek out mentors or network with professionals in the industry to learn from their insights and gain valuable advice. Finally, with dedication and hard work, the self-taught engineer could create groundbreaking technology that changes the world. Whether it's a new software application, a cutting-edge hardware device, or an innovative system that solves a major problem, the engineer's accomplishments would be a testament to the power of determination and self-learning. Overall, the story of a high school dropout who becomes a self-taught engineer and creates groundbreaking technology is a powerful example of what is possible with hard work, passion, and a willingness to learn. Some famous examples of self-taught engineers include Steve Jobs and Bill Gates, who both dropped out of college but went on to co-found Apple and Microsoft, respectively. These companies revolutionized the technology industry and transformed the way people interact with technology. In addition to inspiring individuals to pursue their passions, the story of a self-taught engineer also highlights the importance of education reform. Traditional education systems may not be the best fit for everyone, and alternative paths to learning and skill building should be encouraged and supported. Furthermore, the story of a self-taught engineer also emphasizes the importance of diversity in the tech industry. By providing equal opportunities for all individuals to pursue careers in technology, we can tap into a wider range of talent and perspectives, leading to more innovation and better solutions to complex problems. In conclusion, the story of a high school dropout who becomes a self-taught engineer and creates groundbreaking technology is an inspiring one that showcases the power of determination, hard work, and self-learning. It is a reminder that anyone can achieve their dreams with perseverance and dedication, and it also highlights the importance of education reform and diversity in the tech industry. The story of a self-taught engineer also demonstrates the value of resilience and the ability to overcome obstacles. Self-taught engineers often face significant challenges in their journey, such as a lack of access to resources or support, limited networks, and limited exposure to opportunities. However, with perseverance and a willingness to learn, they are able to overcome these barriers and succeed in their chosen field. Moreover, the story of a self-taught engineer highlights the importance of lifelong learning. In the tech industry, the pace of innovation is rapid, and new technologies and techniques emerge constantly. As a result, engineers must be willing to adapt, learn new skills, and stay up to date with the latest trends in the industry. Finally, the story of a self-taught engineer also showcases the potential impact that individuals can have when they apply their skills and knowledge to solving real-world problems. By creating groundbreaking technology, self-taught engineers have the power to transform industries, improve people's lives, and make a positive difference in the world. In conclusion, the story of a high school dropout who becomes a self-taught engineer and creates groundbreaking technology is an inspiring one that highlights the importance of determination, hard work, self-learning, resilience, diversity, lifelong learning, and the potential impact that individuals can have. It shows that anyone can achieve their dreams and make a positive difference in the world with the right mindset and dedication. Additionally, the story of a self-taught engineer also emphasizes the importance of creativity and innovation. Often, self-taught engineers approach problems from a unique perspective, which allows them to develop innovative solutions that traditional approaches may have overlooked. By thinking outside the box and pushing boundaries, self-taught engineers are able to create technology that disrupts entire industries and changes the way we live and work. Moreover, the story of a self-taught engineer also underscores the importance of collaboration and community. While self-learning is a crucial part of the journey, self-taught engineers also rely on the support and knowledge of others to succeed. They often participate in online communities, attend meetups, and collaborate on projects with other engineers. Through these interactions, they are able to learn from others, share knowledge, and build valuable relationships that can help them achieve their goals. Finally, the story of a self-taught engineer highlights the potential for anyone to make a difference in the world, regardless of their background or education level. With the right mindset, passion, and dedication, anyone can learn the skills and knowledge necessary to become an engineer and create groundbreaking technology. This message is particularly important for underrepresented groups in the tech industry, who may face additional barriers to entry. By showcasing the potential for anyone to succeed, the story of a self-taught engineer can inspire and motivate people from all walks of life to pursue careers in technology. In conclusion, the story of a high school dropout who becomes a self-taught engineer and creates groundbreaking technology is a powerful one that emphasizes the importance of creativity, innovation, collaboration, community, and the potential for anyone to make a difference in the world. It is a story that should inspire and motivate individuals from all backgrounds to pursue their passions and work towards their goals. The story of a self-taught engineer also highlights the importance of determination and perseverance. Pursuing a career in technology as a self-taught engineer can be a challenging journey that requires a great deal of effort, discipline, and commitment. Self-taught engineers may encounter setbacks, failures, and obstacles along the way, but they must persist in their pursuit of knowledge and mastery. Moreover, the story of a self-taught engineer underscores the value of self-motivation and self-discipline. Without the structure of a formal education program, self-taught engineers must develop their own learning plans, set their own goals, and hold themselves accountable for their progress. This requires a high degree of self-awareness, self-reflection, and self-regulation, which can also contribute to personal growth and development. Additionally, the story of a self-taught engineer highlights the potential for technology to create positive change in the world. By creating groundbreaking technology, self-taught engineers can address important social, economic, and environmental challenges and contribute to the betterment of society. This underscores the importance of a diverse and inclusive tech industry that welcomes and supports individuals from all backgrounds and perspectives. Finally, the story of a self-taught engineer is a testament to the power of passion and curiosity. Many self-taught engineers are driven by a deep love of technology and a desire to understand how things work. This curiosity and passion can lead to groundbreaking discoveries and innovations that shape the future of the industry. In conclusion, the story of a high school dropout who becomes a self-taught engineer and creates groundbreaking technology is a powerful one that underscores the importance of determination, self-motivation, personal growth, social impact, diversity, and passion. It is a story that can inspire and motivate individuals to pursue their dreams and make a positive impact on the world. Furthermore, the story of a self-taught engineer also emphasizes the importance of a growth mindset. Self-taught engineers often face challenges and failures, but they view these setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow, rather than as reasons to give up. They embrace a growth mindset, which is the belief that intelligence and abilities can be developed through hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn from mistakes. This mindset allows self-taught engineers to approach problems with a sense of optimism and resilience, which is essential in a fast-paced and ever-changing industry like technology. Moreover, the story of a self-taught engineer highlights the potential for individuals to take control of their own learning and career paths. With the abundance of free resources and online learning platforms available today, anyone with an internet connection can learn to code, develop technical skills, and pursue a career in technology. This democratization of knowledge and opportunity means that individuals no longer have to rely on traditional education systems to succeed in their chosen field. Finally, the story of a self-taught engineer also underscores the importance of continuous learning and improvement. While self-taught engineers have achieved success through their own efforts, they also recognize that there is always more to learn and improve upon. They engage in ongoing learning and skill-building activities, such as attending conferences, taking courses, and working on side projects, to stay up to date with the latest technologies and trends in the industry. In conclusion, the story of a high school dropout who becomes a self-taught engineer and creates groundbreaking technology is a powerful one that highlights the importance of a growth mindset, self-directed learning, and continuous improvement. It is a story that demonstrates the potential for anyone to succeed in technology, regardless of their background or education level. By embracing these values and principles, individuals can pursue their passions, overcome obstacles, and make a positive impact on the world.